elevenlabs allows you to use AI to create AI voice over dialogue. It's simple to use and allows to make all kinds of voices. For instance, if you want to make a Dagoth video, it's best to get a minute of original audio. For best results, upload audio with no background noise or music, and it helps to create a script using keywords from the original audio. Go into instant voice cloning, drag and drop, name the file, and move forward. You then go into speech synthesis where you can copy and paste your dialogue. Hit the generate button to get your voiceover. Generate multiple takes to see what fits best for your project. I also recommend separating some of your dialogue and generating them separately. Try different variations to see what fits best for you.
Obviously anything but humble, the prestigious First Era Lord High Counselor Dagoth
The voice design feature is different. You customize the sound of voice to create something from scratch, choosing from gender, age, accent, and accent strength. From there, it's the same steps repeated from before.
First, we thought the PC was a calculator. Then we found out how to turn numbers into letters, and we thought it was a typewriter.